Ever stared longingly at a for sale sign, your mind buzzing with possibilities, only to be hit with the cold reality of upfront costs? That big question mark hovering over your dream home, the down payment. And if you're exploring the world of mortgages, chances are you've stumbled upon LoanDepot. But what exactly is the minimum down payment they require? That's the golden ticket question we're diving into today. Because understanding the down payment is like deciphering the first crucial step in your homeownership journey. It's not just a number. It's a significant piece of the financial puzzle that can impact everything from your monthly payments to the type of loan you qualify for. Now, before we laser focus on LoanDepot, let's zoom out for a moment and appreciate the landscape of down payments in general. There's no one-size-fits-all answer. The amount you'll need to put down can feel like a moving target, influenced by a whole host of factors. We're talking about the type of loan you're considering. Is it a conventional loan, an FHA loan backed by the government, or perhaps a VA loan for our veterans? Each of these often comes with its own set of rules and minimums. Then there's the property itself. The price tag, of course, plays a huge role. $1 million mansion will naturally demand a larger down payment than a cozy starter home. But beyond the price, lenders also assess the perceived risk associated with the property. Is it in a stable market? What's its condition? These factors can indirectly influence the down payment expectations. And let's not forget about you, the borrower. Your financial profile is under the microscope. Lenders will scrutinize your credit score. A higher score often unlocks better terms, potentially including a lower down payment. Your debt-to-income ratio, which compares your monthly debt payments to your gross monthly income, is another critical piece of the puzzle. A lower ratio signals to lenders that you're more likely to manage your mortgage payments comfortably. Finally, your overall financial stability and the size of your savings will heavily influence how much you can realistically put down. So, with this broader understanding of down payments in mind, let's turn our attention specifically to LoanDepot. They're a significant player in the mortgage lending arena, offering a variety of loan products to cater to different needs and financial situations. This is where things get interesting because LoanDepot doesn't have a single, universally applied minimum down payment. Instead, it varies depending on the specific loan program you choose. Let's break down some of the common loan types you might encounter with LoanDepot and their typical minimum down payment requirements. First up, we have conventional loans. These are mortgages that aren't backed by a government agency. Traditionally, conventional loans have been associated with higher down payment requirements, often ranging from 5% all the way up to 20% or even more. The exact amount will depend heavily on your credit worthiness, the loan amount, and the lender's specific policies. Borrowers with excellent credit and a strong financial profile might be able to secure a conventional loan with a lower down payment, but it's not always the norm. Putting down less than 20% on a conventional loan typically means you'll also need to pay private mortgage insurance, or PMI, which is an additional monthly cost that protects the lender in case you default on the loan. Next, let's talk about FHA loans. These are loans insured by the Federal Housing Administration and are often a popular choice for first-time homebuyers or those with less than perfect credit. One of the key advantages of FHA loans is their typically lower down payment requirement. In many cases, you might be able to get an FHA loan with a down payment as low as 3.5% of the purchase price. This can make homeownership more accessible for a wider range of individuals and families. However, FHA loans also come with their own form of mortgage insurance, including an upfront mortgage insurance premium, UFMIP, and an annual mortgage insurance premium, MIP, that's paid monthly. Then we have VA loans, which are a fantastic benefit for eligible veterans, active duty military personnel, and surviving spouses. One of the most significant perks of a VA loan is that they often require no down payment at all. This can be a massive advantage, allowing eligible individuals to purchase a home without needing to save up a substantial lump sum upfront. However, it's important to note that while there might not be a down payment requirement, there can still be other costs associated with the loan, such as a funding fee. Beyond these common types, LoanDepot might also offer other specialized loan programs that could have different down payment requirements. For example, they might have specific programs for first-time homebuyers that offer lower down payment options or even down payment assistance programs in certain areas. It's always worth exploring all the options available through LoanDepot to see which best aligns with your individual circumstances. So, the key takeaway here is that there's no single minimum down payment figure for LoanDepot. It's crucial to understand that it's loan program specific. Now, you might be wondering, okay, I get that it varies, but how do I find out the exact minimum down payment I'd need for my situation with LoanDepot? The best way to get a clear and personalized answer is to get in touch with LoanDepot directly. Their loan officers are the experts who can assess your financial profile, discuss your homeownership goals, and walk you through the different loan programs you might qualify for, including the specific down payment requirements for each. Beyond just meeting the minimum down payment, it's also wise to consider the advantages of putting down more. While a lower down payment can make homeownership more accessible initially, putting down a larger amount can have several benefits in the long run. For example, a larger down payment means you'll borrow less money, which typically translates to lower monthly mortgage payments. You'll also likely pay less interest over the life of the loan. Additionally, putting down 20% or more on a conventional loan can help you avoid private mortgage insurance, PMI, saving you even more money each month. A larger down payment can also make you a more attractive borrower to lenders, potentially leading to better interest rates and loan terms. Of course, deciding on the right down payment amount involves finding a balance between your current savings and your long-term financial goals. It's crucial to have a comfortable financial cushion even after making your down payment to cover unexpected expenses and ensure you're not house poor. The most effective way to get a precise answer tailored to your situation is to connect with the professionals at LoanDepot. They can provide you with the personalized guidance you need to navigate the down payment process and take that exciting first step towards homeownership. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.